Hey, good day to you all. In this short video, I would like to explain how to use the range and angle and bow finder mod for U-boat to find the speed, length, and angle and bow of the ship. The important thing is, if you install the mod, you have on the periscope view on the left side, you will have this icon, and you can switch on and off the range and angle and bow finder overlay. The important thing is it will work with any mod, any periscope mod, if it has 6 times magnification and 1.5 times magnification, because the overlay is calibrated to those magnifications. And the other thing is that the wide view will not work because it's not calibrated for that. It is actually the zoomed out view where this overlay will be accurate. So how do you find the distance? Well, you switch on the overlay, and by identifying the ship, you will get a good idea of the mast's height, which is 36 meter with a C3 class I'm just observing here, and I align my the vertical crosshair with the closer masts of the ship, which, and I calculate the visible length is 5, 6, 7, 8. So the visible length is 8 mils, and the real length is 36 meters. On the outer scale, I find the 8 mil mark, and I align it with the 36 meters. 8 mil, 36 meter is here. You should be careful with the well, because one of these units is actually 2, 4, 6. So you see 36 with 8. And going back on the indicator on the top, on the inner scale, you can read that it is 4.5. That actually the distance, it's actually the length 1 mil corresponds to at that distance. So I need to multiply it with 1000, which 4.5 by 1000 is 4,500 meters. So the ship is at the 4,500 meters distance. Let's see. You see, it's my U-boat, and the ship is here, and the distance is 4,500 meters, 4.5 kilometers. How do you find the angle and bow? Well, by knowing the distance, you just align the distance, the 4,500, with the length of the ship, which is 143.65. Well, 104, a little bit less than 104.5. You align it here. And going back on the inner scale, on the mil scale, at the unit mark 1, the corresponding number is 32. That is actually the reference visible length of the ship. If the angle and bow was 90 degrees, the visible length of the ship would be 32 clicks, but it's actually not 32 clicks. What we need to do is, here's the 90 degree, I align it with the 32 clicks, 90 degree with 32 clicks, I align it here in this scale, and I measure the real or the observable length of the ship, which is, you see, 14 clicks. So on this scale, the click scale, I find the 14 clicks, and on the opposite side you will find a corresponding angle to that number of clicks with the visible length, which is 26 degrees. So the angle and bow is 26 degrees. You see, 23.4. Well, 3 degrees off. It's acceptable at that distance. How do you find the speed? Well, to find the speed, you need the length of the ship and the stopwatch. Zero the stopwatch. You need to be at the complete stop, and when the front of the ship crosses the line, you start the stopwatch. Let's speed up a little bit. And when you just measure the time needed for the ship to cross a vertical line, which is 43 seconds. What you do here is you find on the outer scale the length of the ship's 143 whatever, and you align it with the 44 seconds it needs to cross a vertical line, like here. And with this red scale, you can read the speed, which is 6 and a little bit, so almost 6.5 knots. So this is how you find the range, the angle and bow, and the speed of the ship as 6 times magnification for this mod. Thank you.